A new warning today for consumers amid a spike in financial fraud. The Federal Trade Commission says consumers reported losing an estimated $10 billion last year. Joining us now from Landmark Credit Union in Milwaukee is Brian Melcher. We appreciate your time this afternoon. Yeah. When we're talking about financial fraud, what is financial fraud and how can people protect themselves?
Yeah, financial fraud could be a number of things. Really, what we're seeing is a number of scammers will take advantage of people either through text messages, phone calls, and others trying to get personal information, and then they will empty bank accounts, empty other accounts, and take that money and run, basically.
What can people do to protect themselves?
Yeah, protecting themselves. You think of, phone calls and texts that you get. Really, you need to be suspicious. Typically, people will not call you and ask for personal information about you, your banking, your financials, ask for one-time passcodes, ask for login credentials, things like that. When in doubt, really, if you get these types of call or text messages, you want to go to a statement that you have from your bank or credit union, go to a known website that you know, call a known phone number from the back of your credit card, let's say, to validate that anything that they're saying is true. It's easy to not respond to that text message, hang up the phone, and actually go to the right source to validate anything that they might be saying.
Very true. Good advice, too. We want to also talk about credit card skimming. What is that, and what should consumers know about credit card skimming?
Yeah, so skimming is really when folks are installing, devices on things like ATMs and other things and stealing the information off of that. Many of the ATMs you see out there actually have devices to prevent skimmers from being attached, but always good to look around, be sure that folks aren't lurking, watching what you're doing, entering your PIN numbers. If things look out of place on those ATMs, there's things that are, not adhered properly, not attached properly, look like they're out of place, probably best to walk away and let the folks at the bank or credit union know that something may be attached to that. Then what they do is then use that information, your PIN number, they'll gather your credit card information from you swiping it, and then they can use that to clone the card and then use your numbers to purchase many, many things, which isn't a good thing.
Never a good thing.
Never a good thing at all, exactly.
You've told us some ways to avoid it, but say worst case scenario, you do get scammed, where do you go from there?
The best thing to do is call your bank, credit union, call your credit card provider. They will freeze your card. They will look at all the charges that you may have received and things and do that. There are also things you can do ahead of that. So at Landmark, for instance, we have the ability to go on our app and freeze your card, right? So you can freeze it right away, then make the call to say, all right, I think someone may have stolen this. There's some charges I don't recognize. So then they'll be able to actually sort it out from there.
Some good advice. Brian, thank you so much for your time this afternoon. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having me. Thank you.
Derek.
All right.